You? Hi guys. I haven't been live in so long. I even forgot. Hey, what's happening? What have you been up to since you haven't been live in so long? I was not feeling well. Like I was not doing well. You see, I haven't even posted TikToks and stuff like that, but I'm slowly coming back. But I just wasn't okay. Shawa, how are you, my brother? What's happening? Hi, what is it, Mantaki? Hello, please add Busi, please. I don't know if she's online. I'll try. Let me check on thing. I really hope that you're okay now. No, I'm okay now. I am good. By the grace of God, I'm okay. I don't know why my phone is glitching. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Nino. Hi, I love you more than anything. Hi, I love you too. This person go join Axie. Let's share the live. Oh, hi. Hi. If I play music, are they gonna like flag my live like on Instagram? Because I know on Instagram if you play music they end your live. Why is your skin so clear? That's the only thing that I use, sham, guys. My Vaseline. They won't. Okay. Asambisi Swaziland. Hey. Ngibalekile wena ufuna ungise Swaziland. Uyenda Swaziland. They'll play the music in 2 times speed. Ha. Manje uzoba ngathi yasho. Guys, I have a song with Mr. Nation Things. Ngibalekela bogogo nabomkhulu nezitshe ezingapheli wena ufuna ungisa lapha eSwatini. Mayindana eSwatini phela mina ngathi bataba nangazi zabo ngefamily kuphela. Ubusimela hambe nathi. Yena unama connection mbuzi. Unama connection eSwaziland. Mina ke ngubani? Wayengadlali ngoma. Kwenzakalani la efonini yami? My phone doesn't want to play music. Unomuntu wakhe. Usunomuntu manje wena. Nyakhuluma. You're hosting. Wait. Guys, what are you guys talking about? I feel like we're not talking about the same thing. What are you guys talking about? Hi, V. Oh, no. Yeah. Tell me if the music is loud and stuff. Basha. No, because like I didn't know what they were talking about. What about Busi? I don't know. What are you guys saying about Busi? How are you? I'm good, V. How are you? Let's see the tags. I have this one. I don't know why it's twisting. It's this one. And I have this one. Pelele band. I don't think they're talking about hosting. That's hosting a Puma. No, she was talking about the class because Busi said something about the class on the channel. So I think that's what they're talking about. Hi Tato. Hi Enoch from Ghana. Hi. Meaning of the tattoos. They just look nice. I don't have any meaning besides this one. This was my second one. Sorry for me. This one is Hebrews 11 verse 1. And that was like my grandmother's favorite verse. And the first verse that she taught me to like memorize, which is what is it? Faith is the assurance of all things hoped for and the conviction of things not seen. So besides this one it just looks nice, and this one matches this one, and I saw it on Pinterest. So please add a share away. So many in thingy. Like I see the request, but it's not allowing me to add someone. Or do I have to like add them from like that guest box down? Nah, I don't remember. How say I said Axim because I'm simfonele. Ngoba ngathanda ngithembi nje. It's been a while since I saw you. I know. Kanti nina nibhali. Akusimi. Sengibona bengikhuluma naye manje ku Instagram. If uzongiphendula. Hi Tato. Yo, why ring sisipinka zonke. Yabona abantu bafuna uzongena ku live. Wayibalekile. Nawu. Nyambo akafuni. Unjani kanti mina nginjani? Bulisa ke? Angithi nambona ukuthi ifoni sesandleni. Angithi bayabona ukuthi ifoni sesandleni bathi yimi ungafuni. Ngizokufonela ungawari. Uzocela ukukhuluma izinto ku live ngizokufonela. Nyambo, nimboni? Okay. Mtawandulele. Ufama pijama ngathi angafuna ukungena. When are you releasing? Angazi ma Can you buy me a phone? How? Ngani? Ngithengele ngani? Hi Stufuza, how are you? Yeah. Ngemali. How many phones do you have? 2. Marle, angithi le bengisebenzisa kuqala. Mara nginento le ninkinga ne SIM card. So unless ufuna ifone engena SIM card eyidemo uyabona la phezulu. Yabo ukuthi la line la Wi-Fi bekumele ngababonisa network awatshengisa network. So unless nje ufuna nje. When are you back on YouTube? Whoa. TikTok, YouTube, Insta crazy. Which one? Let's choose one. Also guys, I posted on Instagram. Can you like lapha no comment and enza ngathi niyangithanda. Even if angithandi yenza ngathi uyangithanda. For pictures kuphela. Bese uzosiposta kanjani pictures? Ngiyadlala. uzosebenzisa i-Wi-Fi ngiyakuzwa ke mina. Konje bengithini? Hi Lala. Uthini vele angimbonanga. Thank you Siwe. Uphubusi ulela. Ngiphele phela sengenela ukuthi ifoni yami ingalahleka la cause I did lose my phone and this was this phone was the phone that I was using and then I got another phone because I can't use this one on its own because I have a SIM card so it didn't like ngihlezi ngihotspotile. We're expecting a vlog. Ngivlogani ma Chomi this year how I learned it ne mara okare. So like Friday. Are you in Swaziland? No, I'm not. Give me the one that doesn't have a SIM card. When uzo tati phone ngina SIM card yap na imar. Like say hello my sweet potato. You sweet potato. Ish. I keep missing comments here, yes. That was a nyep. Mali normal. Mala in. Names of your phone. I chum Alcatel 1, Alcatel 2. Ngoba ngiyabaza abantu abatshontshayo. Alcatel 1, Alcatel 2. Or Mobicel 1, Mobicel 2. Lewe ithanda yiyo shemchum because whoa. Thank you, Kiara. Me, I'm gonna decorate with the phone with no SIM. Sana. There's nothing that I do on this phone because this phone is literally a mirror of this phone. So it's basically just to keep my things here just in case this phone gets lost because people like Alcatel 2 more than they like Alcatel 1. Are you catching me? Because this is my second time having Alcatel 2. Because, wow. Are you tired because you've been running through my mind all day? Girl. Hey. Alcatel when I catch you. Iyonje. Is Busi your sister? Something like that, chum. Even you are my sister if you want to be my sister. Everyone's my sister. Everybody. We are allowed to host with me. Host what? At last. Thank you, Suffocate. It's been a while. Please create a DC nyana. I might. I just might. Let me see. Who's this? A dance class. Oh.
Hello.
Arubon is one.
Yeah?
Get Arubon. Oh, hello.
Yebo, Linta.
I didn't think about when.
Wabua, wabulela, watoloka, China, Sizulu, Afrikaans.
May bolela lena ka bolela.
Kubulela Zulu.
Bolela Zulu.
Nginezinkomo ezi5.
Zulu sakulediwa wena.
Siyakhulumiwa isiZulu.
Kabuhlungu kanje. Manje wesikhuluma kabuhlungu kanje.
Ubuya kuphi? Ubuya kuphi?
Uyaphi? Angibuyi ndawo. Ngihlala la eJoburg.
Joburg va?
Abantu banyamalala.
Yeah.
People get lost every day.
Ne?
Ke bona
Says
hore
better
ke tile
to
so
be
ne ke
safe.
ronya gore something. Hai wena ba no
Better to be
hore
safe, no? But you are rude, oh.
Ba mphaphela ke mango.
Batho ba re ke rorisang amo or ke mang.
Ke re nna batho ba keng ba e reng ka Sepedi ko timela wa timela ne
Oh, mopedi pila.
a ke mopedi hle
Mara o bolela sona re hle.
Ke
A ona tle go Setswaneng. Ai te ke a hana.
no a ke Motswana
So o mo kae?
Zulu
He bana. So
wait
like a mix.
mm
Cause look at how I am Mponsi Muzulu, to be honest.
how amaZulu anjani kanti
Ayafana amaZulu.
ayafana
Ayafana sila kuwabona ukuthi alo mZulu lo.
wena
Mara mapedi le bona ba tshwana so wena o ka remix nyana.
I'm not petty
Hmm?
I'm not petty
Ah. So KwaZulu-Natal ubuya kuphi?
yabona ukuthi mara umuntu ofuna ukukidnapper yizo lezi
Mara ngibukeka ngathi ngikidnap abantu mina.
umuntu okidnapper abantu njani
Uyabonakala uyambona emahlweni ukuthi lo as danger gafarlek.
umuntu okidnapper abana akabonakali nokubonakala ngeke umsole
Bafana nawe. Serious?
Never know. For real, we never know. But we never know.
Yeah, these days is the most gorgeous, the most handsome people who are doing these cruel things.
Washa.
The people will never think. Agree? Huh?
Ngithi washa. No better makompo more Mira. Offline. Next.
Sawubona.
Hayi.
Njani?
Asanda ngithi asanda. Uthi asanda kanjani kube kuwongiziba yazi sibuda. Hello sweet njani?
Ngiphila njani wena?
Ngiyaphila.
Okay, la ngisakwazi.
Ayibo. Nawe ke
Hawu. Yini?
uzongigugisa why uthi awusangazi?
No, like it's been some time. Like singa-interact. Hope you good though. What's up? Kuhamba kahle lapho ku?
I'm good. I'm okay wena.
Ay, kuyaphileka man. Ngiyaphusha la, just trying some new things man.
Ngibonile so DJ mna ke.
Mina ke ngizawuthina mara kuhamba kahle yes, I won't lie.
I've been seeing some of your videos, even from other people. That's nice. How is it?
Right, yes, yo, Mara. Like the pain of playing for a dead crowd. Yo. But then it's part of the whole
At
thing, I
least
guess.
you're playing. Yeah, as long as you're playing.
Yeah, as long as I'm
Some
playing.
people want to play, even if it's for no one.
Exactly, like that's true, yo. That's true. So, no, man, like being fun and just say, yeah, man. I hope I see you soon. Mhlambe ngizovela le ma-thoughts.
Ngidobe ngekho-ke mina cabanga
Hayi.
nginenini.
Hayi nama ngazi yo. Yo, I know ngazi, but it's been some time, eh. Nah, but
Yeah.
mhlambe ngizokutholela ithikithi yabona mase ngithola amagiga serious ngithi like there's one more person I'd like to include and then yeah.
Uba.
How ngitholele wena ithikithi.
Oh.
Yeah, ungikhabe kumagiga wami mhlambe yi1 nyana.
Ndokhapha sham, don't worry. Ngizoba happy neko. Ngijavele futhi.
Power to us.
Manje njengoba uDJ uyajive?
No, I don't dance.
Why?
I mean, it's 3-step. I can't dance to 3-step.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Yeah, I can't dance to 3-step. So, yeah, man, I haven't been in the dance scene for some time. Yo, for some time. Like, yo. But ngizobuyela. Just ngisarecoup.
Yeah, go version.
But yeah, man, well, it's in Nyakeza ngibuye ejimini, yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Sanda.
Bye. Uthini kanti lo mntana lona? The thing is funny. Nomuntu oyofunda, guys. It was nice seeing you. Bye. And I'm on the channel, by the way. I'm just gonna post on the channel before Ngilala.